Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Okay, welcome to Shreya's Creative World. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a princess. All my girls like it, right? Okay, now I will show you how to make it. First, draw like this and draw like this. You done it? Okay. And you know how to draw a U, right? Draw a U. And now put two standing lines. And first do like this much only for two shoulders also. And draw a button here, a circle. And draw like a boo. See, you have done it? Okay. Put two standing lines here also. Have you done it? No? Okay. Then put like this a sleeping line. Join it. And do very big like this and this. Okay. Okay. And like this. Do like this. Okay. Now I am doing a crown. See, observe carefully. I am doing it slant, but don't do it standing line. Do like this. You did it? Okay. And like this. And like this. And put like this. And put three circles on the dot, these edges. Now put two circles here. Okay, are you done it with it? Okay. Now it here. And shade here also. Okay, but not equal. We should not color in the circle. Okay. Out to the circle only we should color. Now the princess will have eyebrows, right? Draw eyebrows and a cutie smile. Now from here draw like this and like this and like this. And here also the same type you do here. See. Now the hand looks like she's holding the frog. Now put her hairs like a curved line. Stop it here. Okay. And like this. See. Now I did it. If you want to do some decorations, now the princess look like this. If you want to do some decoration, yeah, you want to do? Now I will show some decorations. Now I am doing small flowers. Observe carefully. Okay. Like this. You can decorate it as your wish also. So, if you don't know how to do decorations, I will teach you now. Okay. These are 2 flowers. Alex hat. Then let's draw. From here, like this. For the small, these are, I'm drawing some circles. Draw till here. See, I have drawn like this. It's your wish to do now. I was putting here also a heart only. Now show you how to color the princess. If you want, you can do any color for the frock, but I am taking pink color. See. It should not come out of the what we drawn here. See heart? That only. It should not come out. Now I am taking blue to color these all. It's a light blue, but don't color it dark blue. If you're confused, I'm telling just. Color for the bow also. If you do fast, don't do this also blue. We want to do it in another color for it, because it should look nice, right? It's a colorful. Now I am taking purple. It's nice, right? Colorful it is. It's looking very colorful. I will make the combination of purple on these circles also. I am doing here also blue so that it will look nice. See, from pink I am doing for her a heart necklace. See, if you saw it, right? Heart necklace. Now I will show you. For this, I am taking yellow color. Okay. there should be no any white here. Here yellow. Okay. Sir, color here also yellow only. If you have silver for the crown, you can color silver. If you don't have for the crown, I used 3 colors which I used here. Okay. Now for the hands, we should do peach colors. If you want to do for her some nail polish, just you can do her like this and color skin colors. She's a London princess. For that, for her hair, we should do peach color. She's a London princess. Here, princess is there. Okay, but we didn't color the flower right. Let's color. Are you all guys excited? Okay, now I am taking dark blue. See here. See, for these two I'm coloring for the dots only dark blue. And I am taking dark green. See here, dark green I am taking for the flowers. It's a peacock color, right? It will look nice for the princess. See, here is a pretty princess. If you like my channels and videos, please subscribe and do bell icon and do comment for me. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.